Hey guys, this is Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Look at what I got in to review today. We're going to go outside, guys, and unbox this new metal detector. I can't wait to see what I might be able to find in my own backyard. Let's get outside and let's check this thing out. Let's go. All right, guys, today we're going to take a look at this metal detector that was sent out to me for review. Guys, you're going to see my first impressions on this metal detector because I have not seen any of the components that are inside. As you guys can see, it is well packaged. So the first thing we're going to do is open the box. All right. So what you guys are taking a look at first here is everything that comes in the box. First thing we're greeted with, as you guys can see, is our starter manual. And like most of these manuals, this is going to walk you through the setup and how to assemble your metal detector, as well as all of the different features, what the different buttons do, all the things to be aware of when you're out treasure hunting with your cool metal detector. It's got these different little icons here that let you know what you found. That's pretty cool. Okay, we also get, as you guys can see here, a travel bag. And this is if you're going to be carrying this is more like a backpack, which is really nice. I like this design because that means you can take this completely apart and, you know, just walk around with it wherever you want to take it. It does come with a set of headphones. Let's take a look at those. Now, just to be able to listen to your beeps and the sounds, I think this is going to be really nice. These aren't, you know, the best headphones out there on the planet, but of course you guys can always attach your own 3.5 compatible headphones to this metal detector. It comes with 2 of your 9-volt batteries, so you're going to need those. So what else we have here? This looks like a digging tool. All right, check that out. So this is a 2-part or 2-piece digging tool that you'll be able to set up. As you guys can see here, this is the first component of it. And then it has the handle that also comes with it. And all you have to do is attach the handle like so. Oops, don't cross thread it. This feels really nice in the hand. It's a high grade material. So you have a shovel / pick. That's really handy, especially, like I said, if you're going to be out treasure hunting. And it comes with this little pouch that also has a belt strap. Makes it easy, convenient. All right, let's see what else we have. So here's the actual head unit for a metal detector. And this is going to mount onto the rods or the poles. And here are all the different buttons. Inside here is where you're going to place those 2 9-volt batteries. Okay, we'll get back to that. And then we have the different components. So here's your arm piece. Really nice design. High grade plastic. I like this handle. That's really nice. That's super cool. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. We have our base and our sensor. So that just pops out. So it's going to come out like that. I like the color scheme on this. This is adjustable, you know, so you have a lot of flexibility from setting this up. All right, so let's get this all set up and take a look at it once we have it completed. All right, guys, I have it completely assembled, as you guys can see here. Now, like I said, it does have this really nice little arm strap. You can just easily adjust this to fit your arm through. So if you wanted to, you know, carry it like this portion here is completely adjustable. So you can adjust that based on the length, you know, that you want to be able to deploy it. Now, as you look at the screen itself, you guys can see it is very vivid. You can go through your set buttons, you have your display, you have your pinpoint. That's going to let you know if there's something right there. As you can see, so there's something possibly right here in front. See if we can find that again. Yep, there's something under the ground right there. So that's pretty cool. And of course, you can adjust your sensitivity, the depth, all of those features are built in. Read your manual, it'll walk you through it. Like I said, I love the design, the color. Now, in a nutshell, guys, I think for somebody just starting out metal detecting, this is going to be a really nice system. It was very simple to set up. So if that's something that you guys might have on your radar, definitely take a look at this model. I think it will be a good starter metal detector for someone who's just getting started. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.